You're watching Foxtecc, and today we're getting straight into how to turn off notifications on your Airpods Max. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on Notifications, and once you're in there, scroll down until you see Announce Notifications. This is the feature that lets Siri read your messages aloud through your Airpods Max. To stop that from happening, just toggle off the headphones option. That alone will stop Siri from interrupting your music or podcasts with messages. If you're still getting alerts from certain apps, you can take it a step further. Go back into the notifications menu and scroll through the list of apps. Tap on the one you want to silence and turn off Allow Notifications. This stops that specific app from pushing any alerts while you're using your Airpods Max. There's also a more extreme option, disconnecting or unpairing your Airpods Max entirely. That cuts off all audio-related notifications, but keep in mind it also means your AirPods won't work at all until you reconnect them. It's a bit harsh, but if you're looking for total silence, it's one way to do it. Another alternative is to use focus mode or do not disturb. These features let you silence notifications across the board, not just in your AirPods, and they're great for staying focused while still keeping your headphones connected. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a like and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more straightforward tech tips. See you later.